Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. This is Social Nerd, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in and register to the online banking of SBI or State Bank of India. So let's get started and see how that can be done. To begin with, open a web browser of your choice and search for State Bank of India. Then open the official website of the bank, that is www.onlinesbi.com, and we shall see this homepage. Now you can choose among personal banking and corporate banking. For now, I'm going with personal banking. So tap login, then tap on continue to login option, and you shall be redirected to the login page. Now simply enter your username, your password, then enter the exact text that is shown in the image. You can choose among image captcha or audio captcha, then tap login right below. Finally, you'll be able to log in to the online banking of SBI. If you are a new user, you can start the registration process by tapping on new user, register here or activate option. Tap on next, then you'll be redirected to the registration page. Now simply enter your account number, your CIF number which is available in your passbook or statement of account. Enter your branch code. If you don't have one, you can tap on get branch name and get your branch code. You can select your country, then enter the registered mobile number. Then you can select the transaction rights from the given options. Full transaction rights is the better option. Then enter the exact text that is shown in the image, and after all this is done, tap submit right below. Finally, you'll be able to register to the online banking of SBI. So that was it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. If it was, please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Social Nerd. We'll be back with more such videos, and I'll see you soon.